How to post on Medium app. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, download the app from App Store or Google Play Store and log in or create an account using email, Google or Apple ID. Now once in there, all you have to do is tap on the pencil icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen to start a new story. And once you tap on it, all you have to do is write your article. Simply write down the title, add your headline at the top, optional but recommended, and type your content in the main editor. You can also add images, insert videos, link or embeds, add quotes, bullets, or horizontal lines. You can also use formatting tools for bold, italic, and headings. After that, once you are satisfied with the article, all you have to do is done or save button available at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the process where you can post it. Now all you have to do is simply follow the on-screen instructions to publish your article. You can also review the title, tags and publish options and tap publish now to post immediately. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.